Boo. Boo. Boo.
Bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
From a distance you can tell.
Good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 3. I am currently, we just woke up. Well, I woke up earlier because my husband wanted me to make him hot cocoa, so I had to wake up early, and yeah, so he woke up at like 6, and then I went to bed at like 7, so I had like 3 hours of sleep. So I'm probably gonna go take a nap today. Shoot again. There you go. We're gonna watch Mickey's Christmas Carol. Woohoo! It's time to go hang out with baby. So, let's do it. Hey you. What are you doing with the fence? We really need to clean this playpen of yours. I don't even know where you get all this stuff. Silly girl. Let's go fix the fence. Your playpen is a mess. No matter how many times mommy puts your thing away, you just dump it out all over again, isn't it? Yeah. And I still don't know how you manage toys to get stuck over here. Jeez. Boo. 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 You missed mommy's face. Okay. Hi guys. I'm underneath the blanket. Boo. Mhm. Oh. Boo. Bee boo. Hi. Want honeys? Oh. Oh. Oh, you're so sweet. What's that? Oh. Okay. We're doing it again. Okay. Boo. Uh-huh. Yeah? Yeah, I see you too. I see you. Yeah. Oh, you're hiding mommy again? Oh. Oh, where's mommy? Odessa, where's mommy? Where's mommy? Boo! Here's mommy. Mm? Mwah, thank you. Oh, come. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Your turn. Whoa. Bee boo. 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 Mm. Mm. Okay, we're gonna climb. Okay. Yep. That's my nose. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Hey cousins, so I'm gonna end this vlogmas here. For hoi 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 hoi. Unfortunately, you do know my my routine at night. It's just the same thing. Hang out, baby girl, until she decides to go to bed. Actually, she doesn't decide to go to bed. We put her bed around like 9 o'clock. She has bottle like around 8, or her milk. And we just put her. We don't really technically put her into bed. She normally like stays in her crib and plays with it around like 9, 10 o'clock, or 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, depending on how tired she is. And so, okay. So that's what she's doing right now. But anyways, so no. So just that's pretty much it. But forgot to lost train of thought. Tyler distracted me. My daughter distracted. Oh yeah. Saying that my Vlogmas Day 2 will be up about 10 o'clock tonight. And then I'm going to edit Vlogmas Day 3, which is now, yeah, Vlogmas Day 3, and we'll stay up and vlog. Not vlog, but edit it. So yes, and I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, because today is Monday, I believe. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, so I'll see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 4. Thank you guys so much for watching, and mahalo inoa, aloha oi. Catch you guys on the next Vlogmas. And remember, countdown 25 Christmas. I'm really excited to do this. Be consistent every day. Oh, she's smart. She opened this thing. Okay, can you say bye? Bye. Say bye, Dessa. Dessa, say bye. That's not what I wanted. Say bye. Say bye. Don't. Give me honies. Alright, bye.